guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're actually heading to Toco. We're going for a small trip. Actually, we're heading further than Toco. We're going Grand River. We're heading to a small trip up there, but you know, before we actually reach the Grand River, we're going to go on Toco Beach and chill out a little bit. So I thought I'll bring you guys along with me for the Toco leg of it, and yeah, let's go and see what's happening in Toco. We just stopped in Grandy to get some food. I'm going to show you guys in a minute what we got. We stopped by Max Barbecue. I love Max. Max food is good, so big up Max, right? But we stopped to get food, and I'm going to show you guys what the food look like, and then I will show you guys a little trip for the drive up to Toco. So taking what the drive looks like, right? So let's go. Oh, and yeah, when I come out to the car, I'll give you all a quick outfit check. I have a cute, nice little outfit I got. One of my friends gifted me, so I'll show you what it looks like. So yeah. Two's a crowd, freeze a party coming, move around like fresh when the school is. Guys, so yeah, we're on the way to Toco. I just had to stop and get some chow here by this little stall. See, she have her chow soaking and stuff, and then she says she have like pay me and that kind of thing. So I'm gonna try and pay me from her because her chow I actually bought from her last time and it actually tastes good. So outfit check. It is good. So we by the road on our way to Toco, and I was seeing the sign welcome to Turtle Village or Tura. So we getting our pay me. I'm not sure what the pay me look like because pay me is this thing. Yeah, I picked out this is what the pay me look like earlier. It's in this sorry. By the road, take a fancy now. So I guess it's making like cornmeal and stuff like that. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. And then I get some chow from butter. So yeah. This is what the chow looks like. She gave me a little taste. So you see, I'm still wiping my nose because it's real hot. It have a good amount of pepper in it. But I thought I put some salt. So she handled me real nice. She's a real nice lady actually. So I want to try the pay me because you know I ain't pay me in a whole long while. I don't even know because I asked her which one is the pay me because I don't know what's the difference between the pay me and the phone, to be honest. I don't know if it's the same thing, but it looks like it, and it's in the same paper. Just now, 1 second. Alright guys, so this is what the pay me looks like, right? Tell all of the smell. It smells good. It smells like it has some kind of spice or something in it. I'm not sure what it is. It smells like if it's bay leaf or clove or cinnamon or one of them things. But this is what it looks like, right? And I just want to break it to see what the inside of it. So it's just basically, I guess in the cornmeal thing with like raisins and stuff in it and whatever else. Ooh. Actually tastes okay. So I now realize the difference between this and pastel. This doesn't have any meat in it, and pastel have meat in it. So you know I prefer the pastel. So yeah. Guys, we come at the bar to get a drink. Guys, so we stopped by a little bar here just before Toco. We stopped to get a beer. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We almost Toco village. So like I tell you all, we'll go up on the beach and see what's happening on the beach and what's popping in Toco. So there we go. One's a company, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like fresh when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, catch some pillows. Okay, so we stop again. Again, some sweet mango. Whatever lady selling sweet mango at the side of the road here. So we're getting some. How much is it? 12 baht. 12 baht, really. it's $12 a bag. So we're gonna get that's the sweet ones, right? Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is what it looks like. Smelling good. Yeah. So if we get mango, guys, I'll let you know how this is a little bit later, because right now I'm drinking a beer and I don't want to mess that up. But yeah. So yeah, guys, we finally reach up on the beach, and as you can see, there's a lot of buses and stuff with people. So Toco is lit. A lot of people is on the beach. Some people just come to spend the day, others just passing through like me. So I come to see what's popping here, to see what they have to eat and stuff like that. So I still gonna bring you guys along with me. So yeah, let me go and check it out. Guys, so we just reached up on Toco Beach. Toco Beach is real vibes. I already see it food. Although I buy food already, yeah. I see in roast fish and things. This is the first time I see roast fish up in Toco and music playing. So let me go on the beach and see what's happening. It's about a lot of music, so you may not be able to hear me. So yeah, guys, as I was saying, on the beach, and this is what the water looks like. As you all see, there's a lot of places that's selling food and stuff like that. The water looks very, very clean and nice. Actually, all the beaches on this side is very, very clean, which I absolutely love. Always see much people in the water, right? So yeah, people just come up to enjoy themselves and everybody liming and stuff like that. But guys, we heading up to Toco Lighthouse. Guys, so I just bring you all up a little further up in Toco to see the Toco Lighthouse, right? Now, let me tell you all, the Toco Lighthouse is not open to the public, but you know, we kind of work our way around it. You always see the little track and where I passed just now. So I just bring you all here to see what's happening up there. Actually, the Toco Lighthouse is there, and behind the Toco Lighthouse is the Galera Point. So the Galera Point is a really nice view to take pictures and stuff, guys. So yeah, let me go now. Yeah, guys. So actually, well, you know, you see the Toco Lighthouse behind me here. It's been here like how much ever years. It's actually a very historical site, as you guys know, and I did a video prior to this about the Toco Lighthouse. It was really a short video. So yeah, I think the place just needs a little maintaining and stuff like that, you know. That's what we pay tax dollars for. Let's focus our energy and the funds into things like these. But nonetheless, let's not get too political. Let me show you all what the Galera Point looks like. So yeah, guys, this is what the Galera Point looks like. As you all could see, the water is a little bit rough, actually a lot rough. They say this is where the Atlantic Ocean meets the Caribbean Sea at this point. So it's very, very rough, and I think it's not really for people to bathe, but it's just such a lovely view, so you guys could take it in. Separate and apart from the Galera Point and the compound of the lighthouse, this is the area in which like you could sit and enjoy yourself. You could have fun, you could eat and stuff like that, and of course it's a nice view all around, so you could, you know, probably have picnic, lunch, whatever, which is what I did. So yeah, guys, as promised, this is the food. So we're still in Toco. We're gonna sit down and eat and then probably go back to the beach. So I am signing out for now. See you guys later in my other video.